Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Target 360 membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you the method, like via app method, via desktop method. So the first method for app users, you need to open your app and you need to log in into your account, which account you want to cancel your membership. Okay, so basically when you open your app, you will see at the very bottom side there is a button on your profile icon. You need to tap on this button, and once you tap on this button, you will see there are lists, there is a all list, and you need to scroll down and you need to find manage your membership option. Okay, 360 manage your membership option. Once you tap on this button, you will see a new pop-up will open, and you can cancel your auto renewal, and you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your membership very easily. Okay, so if you are using desktop version, then how you can cancel? First of all, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon, and once you tap on your profile icon, a pop-up will open, and in this window you need to select your account option. Okay, and once you select your account option, this will open a new window. On this window there is three options. You need to select membership, circle 360 membership. Okay, manage your membership, and once you select this option, it will pop up a new window like this one, and you need to select cancel your membership auto renew, and once you select this option, it will pop up a new window and you need to select cancel. Yes, cancel, and that's it. By using this method, you can easily cancel your membership. If you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.